Hey guys, thanks for stopping by and checking out another video. This truck just got out of our shop. What you are looking at is a 1995 Ford F350 7.3 Powerstroke Dually. This is a hard to find two-wheel drive crew cab. And we just spent, I think, right around $5,300 in our shop on this truck. You can see a complete list at our website, but basically it was 8 remanufactured injectors, new water pump, 6 new tires, valve cover gaskets, ICP sensor, I believe, air filter, a couple other odds and ends. The reason we did that is so that you guys wouldn't have to. We wanted to make this as rock solid as an old truck as possible. As you can see, this is a upfitted conversion truck. I believe it is a Van Works or something like that. We've got the paperwork in the photo. This is the original cowboy Cadillac right here. Best thing you can see in all our pictures is this is a rust-free truck. A lot of these old body style Fords rust, especially in the corners. You can see here the cab corners are in excellent condition. Again, we have tons of photos. No rust in the door jambs there. Here is your original sticker, and we do have the original window sticker on our website as well, so you can see all the options. You can see this is a throwback to the late 80s, early 90s interior with the upfit, power windows, locks, the blue carpet and blue seats. Still in pretty darn good condition after all these years. There's the insignia of the upfitter. Check out the blue headliner with full-length wood center console. This does have an aftermarket Kenwood CD player. Cold air conditioning works just like it should. Aftermarket trailer brake there. This truck has, I believe it's just at 116,000 miles. Will be sold exempt due to the year. Our wait to start there. See no check engine lights or anything like that. Again, we did just service this, so it is definitely good to go. Pop the hood here because this is what you guys really care about, is the 7.3 diesel under the hood here. There it is. The bulletproof, darn near unbreakable 7.3 liter Powerstroke turbo diesel. This one does have an aftermarket air intake. We do have the factory box, although I believe there was a crack in it. That's why we put this aftermarket filter on there. New batteries, as I mentioned before. This old truck runs and drives really good. If you're looking for a classic body style F350 Dually diesel, this is definitely one worth checking out. It's not perfect, but it is extremely nice, rust-free. And again, most importantly, we just spent $5,300 in our shop. So you can hop in this truck and drive. I wouldn't have reservations about driving this truck on a road trip. Let's see if we can get under here. I don't know if the lighting's good enough for you guys, but see the undercarriage there. Nice rust-free truck. There's those brand new tires, 6 brand new tires. You can always see more pictures, including that window sticker, at redsautoandtruck.com. Give us a call. We'd love to talk to you about this truck. 303-726-5520. Obviously, being a 95, we believe this truck has definitely been painted. There's the factory air intake box. Again, I believe there's a crack or something with that. That's why we put the K&N. Your cover there for the direct injection turbo diesel. Appreciate you guys taking the time to watch this video. I know it's long, but I think it's definitely worth watching so you can see that this is a really nice, solid, old, rust-free truck. Appreciate you taking the time. Thanks, guys, and have a great day.